Everyone sees these 10K homes in Japan. What no one tells you is what it actually costs to fix them. Now, before we get into costs, a lot of these homes are actually move-in ready. They're just pretty dated. So if you're okay with older interiors, you might not need to do much work at all. And we've even found what I call unicorns, homes under 20K that were recently renovated and in great shape. But that's definitely not the norm. On average, these homes need work. Best case, cosmetic paint, floors, fixtures. Worst case, roof, foundation, plumbing, everything. We stay away from those. Especially in places like Hokkaido, you've got to think about snow load, insulation, and heating systems. So realistically, full renovations can range anywhere from 20K to 150K depending on the property. Now, little insider tip I tell all our clients, avoid homes with tile bathrooms. Dumping costs in Japan are high, and tile is expensive to remove and dispose of. Instead, try to find homes with unit baths. They're way easier to clean, way easier to replace, and way more affordable to upgrade. On average, you're looking at around 1 million to 2 million yen for a full unit bath replacement, depending on the quality. Now, here's where most people get stuck. Doing all this from overseas is not easy, maybe even impossible. Finding good contractors, getting quotes, managing timelines, it's a nightmare if you're not on the ground. So here's how our process works. We'll get you multiple quotes from vetted contractors. You pick the one you're most comfortable with. From there, we manage the entire renovation. We make sure the work is actually getting done. Timelines are being hit, and you're not getting burned. And before anything starts, we've got a super talented interior designer you can consult with. And so if you want to turn the place into something special or optimize it for Airbnb, you can plan it all out before the work begins. That's where we see the best results. Because the upside here is huge. You can take a cheap, outdated home and turn it into something insane for a fraction of what it would cost back home.